Welcome to the Clipper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to add people to community in Microsoft Teams. So at first, just go ahead and head to your community. If you don't have a community, just create a community first. And if you already have a community, just go to it. And after going to the community, you'll find an option here called Share Join Link. You can either click on it and get this link. You can then just go ahead and paste this link in your friend chat or anywhere and make them join your community from that. Or you can manually add them. Just click on invite members from here. Then enter the name or email address of people that you want to add. For example, let's say I want to add this person. I'll just click on him and click on send. And basically, this person will get an invite for my server, or rather community. And if they accept my invite, they will be able to see my community. And basically that is how to add people to community in Microsoft Teams. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.